High blood sugar doesn't always feel extreme, but your body usually sends signals. The problem? Many of those signs are subtle and easy to ignore. Today, we'll explore 3 common signs that your blood sugar might be too high. Since everyone's body is different, we'll also discuss why paying attention to your unique signals matters. Our first sign is one you might notice throughout your day and even into the night. Frequent urination. Have you found yourself needing to use the restroom more often than what's typical for you? Perhaps it's interrupting your work, your errands, or most notably, your sleep. Waking up multiple times during the night to urinate, a condition called nocturia, can be a particularly telling indicator. So, what's happening inside your body? When your blood sugar levels are elevated, your body goes into overdrive to restore balance. Your kidneys, which act as your body's filtration system, work hard to filter this excess sugar or glucose out of your blood. But glucose doesn't leave alone. Through a process called osmotic diuresis, the sugar molecules pull a significant amount of water from your body's tissues along with them. This extra fluid has to go somewhere, which leads to a fuller bladder and consequently more frequent trips to the bathroom. Of course, occasional changes are normal. Drinking more fluids, consuming caffeine, or taking certain medications like diuretics can also increase urination. The key is to look for a consistent, unexplained increase from your personal baseline. If you notice a persistent new pattern over several days or weeks that isn't linked to these other factors, it's a signal from your body that's worth paying attention to. Sign number 2, increased thirst. Do you find yourself constantly reaching for water, yet feeling like you can't quite quench your thirst? This persistent, unshakable feeling of dryness is known as polydipsia, and it's the second key sign we're discussing. This intense thirst is directly linked to the frequent urination we talked about. When your blood sugar is high, your kidneys work overtime to filter out the excess glucose. To do this, they pull large amounts of water from your body, leading to dehydration. This creates a demanding cycle. You urinate more, your body becomes more dehydrated, and your brain sends powerful thirst signals urging you to rehydrate. But if your blood sugar remains high, drinking more fluids only offers temporary relief. When rehydrating, it's vital to choose wisely. Stick to plain water, sparkling water, or unsweetened herbal teas. Avoid sugary drinks like sodas or fruit juices, as they will only add more glucose to your system and make the problem worse. Of course, other factors like hot weather, intense exercise, or certain medications can also increase thirst. The key difference with high blood sugar is the persistence of the thirst, even when you're drinking plenty of fluids and are in a cool environment. If you're experiencing this kind of unusual and unquenchable thirst, especially alongside frequent urination, it's a strong signal to check your blood sugar levels and note the results. Our third sign is a 2-part signal that your body is struggling with energy management, fatigue and blurry vision. Let's start with fatigue. Glucose is your body's primary fuel source, but it needs insulin to act like a key, unlocking your cells to let that fuel in. When blood sugar is high, it means glucose is stuck in your bloodstream, unable to enter your cells efficiently. Your cells are essentially starving for energy, even though there's plenty of fuel available. This isn't just feeling a little tired, it's a deep, persistent exhaustion. It can also manifest as brain fog, making it difficult to concentrate, because your brain is a massive consumer of energy and is also being deprived. Now for blurry vision. This happens because high sugar levels in your blood create an osmotic effect, pulling fluid from your body's tissues, including the lenses of your eyes. This excess fluid causes the lens to swell and temporarily change its shape and flexibility. Since the lens is responsible for focusing light onto your retina, this change in shape directly impacts your ability to see clearly, making things appear blurry or out of focus. The good news is that this type of blurry vision is often temporary and can resolve as your blood glucose levels return to your target range. However, it's a clear indicator that your levels are too high. It's crucial not to ignore it. While this temporary blurriness is common, Any sudden, severe vision changes, like seeing floaters, flashes of light, or a dark curtain over your field of vision, require immediate medical attention, as they could signal a more serious issue. If you notice these signs, check your blood sugar, track patterns, review recent meals, and speak with your healthcare provider if levels stay elevated. Managing diabetes isn't about panic. It's about awareness and action. Your body communicates with you. The key is learning how to listen. If this helped you understand your numbers better, subscribe to Educated Healing. And next, watch my video on what to eat for breakfast to prevent morning spikes.